everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence basic concepts. So, I am Dr. P.Renukadevi, working as a assistant professor in Department of Computing Technologies, SRMISD campus. This video, we are going to discuss about these topics, that is AI techniques, problem solving, AI models, data acquisition and learning aspects in AI problem solving process, formulating, problem space search, implementation of toy problems, intelligent agent and rational agents with performance measure, task environment and its properties, types of agent, other aspects of agents. These topics we are going to discuss in this video. First, we should know about what is meant by AI. AI is a artificial intelligence. Actually, it is a one type of tool. With the help of tool, we can learn something. So, with the help of tool, that is just we can artificial intelligence is the ability of computer to act like a human being. So it should act like the human being. It will make the system to act like the human being. The artificial intelligence system consists of people, procedures, hardware, software, data, and knowledge needed to develop the computer system and machines that demonstrate the characteristics of the intelligence. So, we are, if you are, if you want to translate something, how to translate? So, the two people are talking together. It's just a conversation. In this conversation, so one people, between the two guys, the one guy is they are familiar in English, so another guy he don't know about the English, so he should understand the English, how to understand the English. So you should use the tool to translate from Tamil to English. So it is a one type of tool. So you should use a technique for that. So some translator we need to use. With the help of the translator only we can understand the English very clearly. So Tamil will be translated to English language. So actually it should make the system that think like the human and system that think rationally. It act as the human being. System that act like a human and system that act rationally. So rationally means the people. So I'm checking any problem. So before that, I need to solve one problem. In the sense, what I should do first, I need to collect the solution. What are the possible solutions are there? So I need to collect the requirement based on that. So first I need to collect requirement to solve the problem. So what are the possible ways are there? What are the possible solutions are there to solve the given problem? How much time it will take? When it will be complete? When it will be started? So everything we need to collect it. So like that, the system should understand everything to solve all the problems. That is called as rational. So understanding is must. When you compare with the human understanding and system understanding, the human understanding is the best one. So like that, system should understand everything. So for that we are using one tool. So that is called as AI. Anything. So when you take one system, when you consider one system in the sense, what will happen? System is blank. We can use the system for you can for use can PowerPoint, Word, Excel. We can do everything. So, but if you want to communicate with the throughout the world, means you need one tool. The tool we can call it as internet. So with the help of Wi-Fi connection only. So Google, using that platform only we can communicate with others within the world. So Wi-Fi connection you need. So Google engine, Yahoo, everything. Only it comes under AI tools only. So first, now we already discussed about the rational. What is in the rational? So the system should understand everything. Based on the understanding only, he can produce the good results. So according to the problems. Then Here we are using some agents for that. How to compare with the agents and environment? Like we consider environment and agents, perception and actions, the sense. So the agents are there. So agents we can call it as people. So the people how to interact with the environment. So that is called as for that we need perception. What does it mean by perception? Is the understanding, we can call it as perception. So we need to understand the situation. So based on that we can act. So some peoples are coming in front of they are coming in front of most of the lot of people coming in, they are going to attack. So I need to sense that. For that I need sensors. Sensor, what are the sensors? Eyes. So eyes and everything. So brain. So it will automatically, yeah, people are coming and they are coming for to attack me. So uh, how to overcome that? So we need to perform an action with the help of hands. So actions, actuators, what are the actuators? Hand, leg, these are all called as actuators. That are here the human sensors we can consider under eyes, ears and other organs for the sensors. And the next one is human actuators, hands, legs, mouth and other body parts. So these are all comes under actuator. Okay, so the robotic sensors. When you take the robots, what are the sensors for when you take the robotics? Mic, camera, and infrared range and finders are for sensors. And robotic actuators are what are the motors? So based on that, it automatically react motors, displays, and speakers, etc. So we can uh, see the next example. So you can use the next example. The PEAs, that is performance measure. What is in by performance measures? uh, Actuator sensors. When you take a taxi driver, the task of designing the automatic taxi driver, the performance measures. So what are the performance measures here? So performance measures are safe, fast, legal, comfortable trip to maximize the profits. Environment, when you take an environment, road, other traffic, the pedestrians and customers, actuators, steering wheels, accelerator, brake, signal, horn. These are all comes under actuators. Sensors, cameras, sonar, speedometer, GPS, odometer, engine sensor, and keyboard. So these are all comes under performance measures actuators. And for example, before that, we should familiar with some other terms. The terms, what is mean by searching? We need to search for some. We are search technician. We are searching an element within the given numbers. We are searching eight within 1 to 10. So where it is located. So how to pick up that. So that is called search. So here one new term is called as heuristic search. What is mean by heuristic search? Actually, some innovation, so innovative idea. So mentally, how we are thinking, so how to solve. We are mentally we are thinking to give the solution for the particular problems. That is called as that type of search we are using. We can call it as to solve the problem. What are the shortest ways are there to reach the goal to destination? So with the help of mentally we are thinking to reach to give the solution to the particular problem, how to solve it, how to give the good solution for that, like that. So that is called as heuristic search. So using A, that is called as AI. So here, just before that, we discussed how we are in the conversation, the people comes under Tamil and English. What will happen? What will happen here? So he don't know Tamil, he don't know English. You need one translator to translate from Tamil to English and English to Tamil, right? So like that, that is we are using one translator, one tool we are using here. So using the tool only, we are translate the content from Tamil to English and English to Tamil. Like, okay. So here searching techniques also, with the help of AI techniques, how to reach the goal to uh, destination. That is the initial point to goals, initial state to goal state. How to reach the initial state, goal state. Then here heuristic of n equal to the number of misplaced tiles. And so here the 8% problem will be considered as an example for that. How will you, in the heuristic search, the initial state is this one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the goal state is it should be like that. So within the 8 tiles places, the one space should be what your empty only. The remaining spaces are filled. So you need to replace that empty spaces. What are the ways we can remove the empty spaces? Means up, down, up, down, and what your up and down, and next one is your left and right. Like this space you need to move, you need to achieve the goal state like that. And what are the ways also that you need to find out the solution. So whenever each and every time you need to solve it using the four methods: up, your right, left, up and down. So every time we need to calculate the heuristic search for upper and up and down and left. What are the heuristic search we will get from we are moving the empty space from left to right and right to left. We need to calculate it. How to calculate the heuristic search value? In the sense, first we need to take that initial state. We can compare with the goal state. What are the missing places are there? So based on that, we should write the heuristic search, that is 1, 2, like that, up, down, right, left, like that. And the next space, which one is the minimum heuristic search we are getting? From that, we can split it into again right, left, up and down. So based on that, we can calculate the heuristic search value, minimum value. From that minimum value, we can split it into up and down, left and right position. So this will comes under the. So here we are using the new technique to reach the initial state to goal state. Using some searching techniques we are using. So we can. So based on some condition, we are using that tool. We are using the search technique, but it should based on, you can move the empty space to left or either right or up or down. So we can't move anywhere else. Okay. So based on condition, we are using the same the tool. So that is called as a heuristic search. So if we are getting the minimum heuristic search value means, so from that we can divide it into what are up and down and right and left. So this comes under 8 puzzle problem. And next one is constraint satisfaction problem. So the constraint satisfaction problem also, it comes under what are the problems? The cryptarithmetic problem and the graph coloring. Lot of problems are there in the constraint satisfaction problem. So you need to give the solution for the particular problem based on some constraint, some conditions. We need to set some condition. Based on condition only, we can give the solution for the particular problem. Okay, so that is called as constraint satisfaction problem. So based on the solution, we are based on the condition, we can give the solution. So the next, so for that example is cryptarithmetic and graph coloring. So in the cryptarithmetic and the graph coloring comes under constraint satisfaction problem only. Based on some condition only, we are giving the good solution to the problem. Okay, so far we discussed about in just an introduction what is mean by AI. So AI is a tool, it's a translator. We can give any example, Google engine, search engines, everything we it comes under what are AI techniques only. And what are the advantages of AI? What are the applications of AI? where we are using AI, everything. This is the basic introduction. Next, that consent satisfaction problem and the crypto arithmetic problem, everything we'll discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.